everyone, my name is Shaylove and today's video is about how I do my notes. Now the reason why I wanted to do this video is to give people pointers on effective note taking or how to make their notes look aesthetically pleasing. In this video, I am doing these notes, which is for my film class. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a notebook. I continuously use 5-star, and this is the heavy duty grid paper. I know it's grid paper, but the reason why I like to use grid paper. Next thing you're going to need are pens, which I use the black Sharpie fine liners, and I'm also going to use this red pen. It's a Papermate pen, which is a gel pen. Oh, the main thing you're also gonna need are markers. I have these super tip markers by Crayola. The first thing I like to do is make the title, and since these are going to be for my film notes, I'm going to choose.
A few moments later.
I'm going to choose this red marker, and for these notes I will be doing calligraphy. But you know, depending on what your style is, you could basically do anything. There are hundreds of videos out there. And since I want to make it stand out more, I'm going to usually outline it to that. So the first thing I like to do in my notes is I always subtitle. So for that, I'll use the color.
2 hours later.
Color. This is like a mustard yellow. I normally highlight, and I would also then write the title, or one subtitle. For this one, it's cinematography. So then I will start writing. So I will usually start writing my notes. Depending on like if you're starting or if you want to improve your notes, so simple titles and subtitles like these will suffice. And then you can branch out from there, and eventually your notes can improve. And what I like to do for every time for definitions, I always do them in red for the word at least. Now I'm going for definition. I always try to make them short formed or in bullet points or in a bullet list to save time, especially when I'm in class. So those are the definitions all done. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this gives you an idea of where to start and what to use if you're a beginner like me who wants to have aesthetically pleasing notes.